That's a poor wheel drive. Now, time for the weather. Here's Kearney.
And your sense of humour has absolutely gone to the dogs, Mary. Where do I go from there? That story, though, does warm my heart on this Friday night, and we need a bit of that because it is a bit chilly at the moment for us and any of our furry friends. In the west last night, minimums were up to 8 degrees below average. And it didn't warm up too much from there. Our top temperatures were generally 2 to 5 degrees below normal. The most rain we saw was just under 9 millimetres during the day at Cape Otway. But the gauges in the city were dry. We dropped to 5.3 degrees around 6 this morning and then reached a top of 15.2 at a quarter to 3 this afternoon. Around the rest of the country, it reached 14 in Canberra and Hobart, 27 in Brisbane. There was a bit of drizzle in Adelaide and a top of 33 in Darwin. There's been a fair bit of cloud hanging over Tasmania and parts of New South Wales and Queensland. And with that cloud, we've got some wet weather. A low has been generating intense rain and storms over Tasmania, and it's going to deepen tomorrow, while parts of Queensland are bracing for some heavy rainfall this weekend with the possibility of more flooding. So for the capitals tomorrow, rain in Brisbane and 24, 15 in Hobart, partly cloudy in Canberra. The sun will poke through in Sydney and warm too in Perth and Darwin. Back home, and the chance of some morning fog in the northwest, a cool to cold and mostly cloudy day, then some showers in the afternoon and evening. And chilly conditions will bring some snow showers in alpine parts. We'll also have some strong and gusty winds across Gippsland and the eastern ranges. On the bays, winds up to 30 knots, waves up to 1.5 metres. And those cold temperatures mean there's a sheep grazier's warning in place for much of the state. So for tomorrow in Melbourne, mostly cloudy, a medium chance of showers in the west and very high chance in the east. We'll drop to 9 overnight and then get to a top of 15. We could see around 1 to 4 millimetres of rain. And then for the rest of the week, it'll be partly cloudy on Sunday with a high chance of showers in the southeast suburbs, a medium chance of showers elsewhere. There should be some settled conditions likely early next week as a high pressure system moves slowly across the Tasman Sea. So partly cloudy on Monday, reaching 17, some patchy fog in the outer suburbs on Tuesday and 18, Wednesday 19 and partly cloudy. And then the showers are back on Thursday and Friday. We could see up to 10 millimetres next Friday. So Mary, enjoy the middle of the week.
Thanks, Annie. Hope you have a good night.